Welcome to Dell Technologies tutorial on extending the resiliency of mission-critical storage for PowerMax OS 10.2. In this short video, I will explain PowerMax's recent enhancements to enterprise storage cyber protection through new hardware and services offerings, simplifying the planning and implementation of cyber vaults. PowerMax continues to lead the industry in being the most secure mission-critical enterprise storage platform. These three elements, admin, host, app, and storage security, form the foundation of PowerMax's robust security, which align with the US National Institute of Standards and Technology, its NIST, 7 Pillars of Zero Trust. Highlighted in blue are the additional security features introduced by PowerMax OS 10.2. We are pleased to announce that NIST has completed FIPS 140-3 certification of the majority of the PowerMax drive options. In 2023, PowerMax introduced support for TLS 1.3, improving trusted admin, access control, and additionally, anomaly detection of unusual I/O patterns which could indicate the presence of malware or ransomware. OS 10.2 enhances both of these features. Support for Key Trust Platform, KTP, and Key Management Interoperability Protocol, KMIP, has been expanded, enabling external key manager communication between Unisphere and an external key manager. Anomaly detection activity previously just logged can now be viewed and monitored with user-defined alerts in Unisphere. Also new to OS 10.2 is 3 ordering SKUs to make cyber vault planning and implementation easier, along with a new method of multi-factor security authentication called UBKey. Let's explore the details of the new UBKey multi-factor authentication. Most likely, you've been using two-factor secure authentication for quite a while. The easiest but least secure is a text or email of a code. Unfortunately, email and SMS are both unencrypted and easily compromised. Another method is via an application like Google Authenticator. While far more secure, it's not exactly convenient. You need to grab your phone, open an app, and then manually enter a code. UBKey Security Authentication for PowerMax solves both problems. It's a small USB hardware device that makes two-factor authentication 2FA as simple as possible. Instead of a code being texted to you or generated by an authenticator app, you press a button on your UBKey, and it sends a unique code that the service uses to confirm your identity. You're then logged in. It's as simple as that. Let's turn our attention now to the Dell Technologies services offerings for open systems environments that simplifies the process of designing and implementing a cyber-resilient vault using PowerMax. Our cyber recovery service leverages Dell's consultant-led ransomware experts to tailor a solution to your exact business needs. They can build both physically and logically separate environments, a vault controlled by secure access, and define a schedule for taking continuous, immutable snapshots for quickly rebuilding the good data to meet recovery time objectives, RTO, in the event that an attack has destroyed the original data, even the vaulted data or data at the DR site. Our cyber recovery service itself consists of 3 new predefined customizable Dell services SKUs. The first is a 1-week advisory design service to help customers define their cyber recovery vault needs and expected results. Needs are scoped, including update frequency, retention requirements, specific data, and their locations. The second SKU is also a week-long advisory service used to implement the vault itself and deploy the PowerMax Recovery Vault solution, working with the customer to create a runbook of process steps. The third and last SKU is our new Cyber Recovery Runbook service for customers seeking help in creating additional recovery runbooks. While our focus is PowerMax, this service can be leveraged for any Dell technology storage within a Dell Cyber Recovery Vault. This could be a backup file-based solution, as well as a primary storage-based cyber vault. It can be managed with on-site or off-site resources to ensure updates are occurring, and the vault is operating as intended. The scope of this SKU is limited to data restoration. Let's take a look at how the SKUs work together when it comes to building a cyber resiliency solution. PowerMax arrays detect cyber attacks quickly because they monitor unusual storage utilization and suspicious activities, while continuously protecting the data at a very granular level with extremely space-efficient secure snapshot technology to meet RPO objectives. By deploying an isolated vault, production data is protected from unauthorized access. A cyber recovery vault provides an offline copy of data, as well as the ability to restore any corrupted data using the snapshots. This enables faster, more reliable recovery in the event of a ransomware attack. Additionally, cyber vaults are often indicated or required to satisfy regulatory requirements. It's important to note that most PowerMax customers deploy SRDF remote replication software between production and disaster recovery (DR) to achieve high availability. While this solution is great for disaster recovery, the PowerMax Cyber Recovery Vault adds a required extra layer protection to defend your data from a different set of threat vectors. There may be a different set recovery expectations for the Vault versus DR data that are explored during the one-week advisory services. From an operational perspective, there are 3 basic steps to the PowerMax Cyber Vault data protection. 1. Production data is synced through an SRDF air gap, which a management server unlocks to allow data to be replicated into the Vault's target storage. The air gap is then relocked. 2. A schedule of snapshots is started and a copy of the data is typically made. Retention of copies and snaps is configurable. 3. The Vault is locked to provide additional protection from accidental or intentional deletion. Recovering data quickly from the Vault in the event of a cyber attack or simply for recovery testing procedures is critical. Customers can use native PowerMax software, SnapVX, SRDF, to recover their data or work with Dell Professional Services to provide restoration operations. The goal of our security enhancements and cyber recovery services is to ensure customers are 100% confident in their deployment of cyber recovery protection at scale without compromise. Please consult your Dell team for additional details on the features and services mentioned in this video. Check out the link at the bottom of this video to Dell's PowerMax homepage, where you will find additional videos and reference materials. Lastly, like and subscribe to this channel to ensure you'll be notified of future tutorials, and leave us a comment if you found this information helpful.